In this video, I will show you how to search and replace data in your WordPress database. So just guys, you have to search this plugin, search and replace. Then activate this plugin, search and replace data in your database with WordPress admin. Replace domains or URLs of your WordPress installation. So this is the very useful and famous and powerful plugin to search and replace in database. As we can see, a large number of active installation, and we can see here a good review. So use and try this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video, and guys, after using, if you have any query or error, so comment. I will try to resolve that query. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more latest and useful videos.